Hello, this is Jesse again with a few questions for our pendulum. These answers are not mine, they are the energy of truth. Whenever I'm going to ask a question, the pendulum goes side to side on its own. Buenas tardes, soy Jesse otra vez con unas preguntas para el péndulo. Estas respuestas no son mías, son del péndulo. El péndulo, cuando sabe que voy a hacer preguntas, comienza de lado a lado. Okay, a few days ago I did a video on the cockroaches being the people, well, not the actual people, the cockroaches in people who have two souls, one kind being the reptilians, which give them a energy age of 888 because that reptilian soul dominates them. And when I do a cleansing of them, then their number goes down to a normal human number. The other group are the 2,323, which are the fallen angels in this case. It's also the energy age of good angels. But in this case, we know they're not good. En este caso son dos grupos de almas que yo llamo cucarachas. Son los reptilianos, que cuando los mido con el péndulo dan una edad energética de 888. Y cuando los quito, hago una limpieza de energías negativas, entonces su edad baja a una edad normal para humanos que es menos de 100. El otro grupo son los ángeles caídos, con una edad energética de 2323, que también se puede quitar con el péndulo, quitándoles energía negativa. Okay, now when I did this, I think I came out with 74,201 or something like that of these reptilians and fallen angels who I removed, according to the pendulum. And some of us may have had the question, how many are left? I certainly had that question. Cuando hice esa limpieza hace unos días, sale que quité, según el péndulo, me parece que eran 74,201, pero ahí está el número de los otros videos que quité de estas almas duplicadas en las personas de influencia en el mundo. Entonces nos quedamos con la pregunta, bueno, ¿cuántos hay? Entonces vamos a ver. We're going to see how many cockroaches there are left. Vamos a ver cuántas cucarachas quedan de estos dos grupos, 888 y 2323. So these will be of the two groups, the 888 reptilians and the 2323 fallen angels. How many are left? 1,000. When it's a circle is the answer. 10,000, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300. Vamos por 300,000, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. It's getting close. We're at 900,000 of them. Remember, in that one day I took away, I think it was 74,000. Recordé que estos son indicando 900,000. En ese día quité 74,000, creo. Okay, 900,000, 910, 920, 930, 940, 940, 41, 42, 43, 943, 944, 944,000, 945. Note que el péndulo va a ir parando. Notice the pendulum is going to be stopping at 945,000. El péndulo para con 945,000. If I think 944,000, notice the pendulum starts moving again. So it's 944,000 something. Así que es 944,000 y algo. 944,100, 200 para. So it's 944,000. Let me write that down. 100 and something. Okay. 944,100, 101, 102, 3, 4, 104, 944,104, no, 944,103. That's how many of these are left, okay? Now, si hago lo que hice el otro día de quitarles energía, ¿cuántas veces tendría que hacer esto para quitar a todos esos? Okay, well the answer is, if I do the same I did the other day, how many times would I have to do this to get rid of all of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 times. 14 times, and 15 stops. 15 para. 14, 14 veces. So, pretty close to 70, yeah, a little under 70,000 per time average. Poco menos de 70,000 cada vez promedio. Voy a tener que hacer eso, voy a ponerme la meta de hacerlo cada día si puedo, por lo menos una vez, para ir quitando eso. Okay, the other thing I had was when do these people become controlled by this second soul? In other words, are they born with that, or when does it happen? And we had the example of this Fannie Willis, a district attorney, who had an energy age of 2,323, a negative angel. And let's communicate with her now and see what her energy age is. It was lower than I thought, actually. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35, 36. La edad energética de Fannie Willis ahora es 35. Okay, go back 1 week. What was her energy age? Hace una semana, ¿cuál fue su edad energética? 53, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 900,000, 1,500, 2,000. Va a ser 2,320, 2,323. 2,323 hace una semana. Si pienso 2,324 para. So 1 week, 23, 24 stops, 23, 23 starts again. Hace una semana, 2,323. Let's go back 10 years. Okay, her energy age. 5, 10, 100, 500, 23, 23. 10 years ago, 23, 23. 15 years ago, 100, 2, 500, 2,323. That was 10 years ago. 15 years ago, 5, 10, 15, 20. It's already moving. Hace 15 años, está moviendo con una edad energética más baja. Okay, 15 years ago, 20, 21, 22, 22. 15 years ago, her energy age was 22. Okay, let's see what it was 14 years ago. 22, 23, 24. It was 23. 15, 14. 13 years ago, it was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000. Okay, that was 13 years ago. 13 years ago, she got this new energy age. So it did not happen when she was a baby. I'll check what she was doing 13 years ago, how old she was, and why this would have happened to her 13 years ago. There's some information on her Wikipedia, of course. Entonces, hace 13 años ocurrió esto a ella. Antes de eso fue una persona normal, más o menos normal, con edad energética me parece que salió 22, que es bastante razonable, si ahora es 35. Pero hace 13 años cambió completamente, llegó a ser dominado por un ángel caído. So 13 years ago she became dominated by this reptilian soul, which we recently took away from her. Hace 13 años llegó a ser dominado por este alma reptiliano que acabamos de quitarle. Esa es la historia. El número de las cucarachas. That's the story, the number of cockroaches.